This festival is all about grassroots, promoting and supporting each other.
Hey, Massachusetts and neighboring states on July 12 and 13. Make sure so to roll out and come participate. Celebrate the 11th staging of Boston's JerkFest. It's gonna be phenomenally great. Family fun day, live music, poetry, and all kinds of spicy Caribbean food to satisfy your taste. So roll out with your family and friends at Harvard Athletic Complex. Precisely is the place. 145 North Harvard Street, Massachusetts. Yes, Boston's JerkFest is a 2-day event. So on Friday, July 12th, it's the rum and brew tasting. And on Saturday, July 13th, come and experience an unforgettable historic moment with the reggae ambassadors and Grammy Award winning Third World Band with Kumar Fire, also featuring DJ Rodigan, Poetic Levi, and of course yours truly, the International Reggae and World Music Award nominee, Amaziyah the Great, DJ O, DJ Smooth, This and That Band, DJ Nomadic, Tijovi Jinen, and Roots Ali Band. Bring your kids early to enjoy Kids and Culture Zone. Get tickets now. For more info, visit www.bostonjerkfest.com. Thanks to all sponsors and vendors. Tell them precisely.